guys, it's Dr.TWL and welcome to our living laboratory. As you can tell, we are located right under the sea. Now, this shouldn't come as a surprise to you guys if you know the story of our living lab. With this, we are paying an homage to our star botanical ingredient, the sea buckthorn plant. Now, the sea buckthorn is a superfood that has been identified for its ultra antioxidant properties. If you remember our discussion on antioxidants before, you will know that it refers to the ability to eat up damaging free radicals that can cause skin inflammation and aging. In fact, did you know that sea buckthorn was used to treat victims who suffered radiation injuries from the Chernobyl disaster? The sea buckthorn utilized in our facial oil series is grown along the shorelines in East Asia, where the plant is endemic. Also known as sea berry, records of the medicinal properties of sea buckthorn go back into ancient texts. It is mentioned in Tibetan literature and also in ancient Greek, Chinese, and Indian apothecary compilations. Sea buckthorn seed oil, in particular, contains omega-3 and 6 as well as omega-9 in an almost perfect ratio. It is suited for dry as well as mature skin types. Sea buckthorn is a powerhouse of an incredible number of 190 nutrients and phytochemicals. It is superior to the content of antioxidant vitamin C. As if that's not enough, we want to share that sea buckthorn seed oil, which is what we incorporate in our facial oils, is a living powerhouse of omega fatty acids, which are essential for a healthy skin barrier. Sea buckthorn seed oil is packed with omega-3, 6, and 9, and also the lesser-known omega-7, making it the only plant source found on Earth that contains this fatty lipid. The importance of fatty acids in the structural integrity of the stratum corneum cannot be overemphasized. Also, sea buckthorn seed extract contains multiple micronutrients that encourage beneficial cell processes known as cell talk. These are distilled according to the highest laboratory standards in our living lab, ensuring that the final product is not just pure, but also stable and efficacious, the way nature intended for it to be.